In this lesson, we will do some more questions of multiplication. In this way, you will learn the concept of multiplication of matrices. So the question is, find the following products, and products means multiplication, right? The meaning of product is multiplication. So this is the first question, and first of all, before going to start, you should know whether these two matrices are conformable for multiplication or not. And the condition is, this is the first matrix, this is the second matrix, right? So number of columns of the first matrix 1 2 should be equal to number of rows of the second matrix 1 2, right? There are two columns of the first matrix, there are two rows of the second matrix. Yes, these two matrices are conformable for multiplication. So how we will do multiplication? These are the simple questions. As we move on to the next lesson and so on, then there will be a little difficult questions will come, but I will try my best to make it very easy. So first you have to multiply this row. This is called row. You have to multiply row with column. So 1 multiply by 4, then plus 2 with 0. Do not multiply 2 with 4. Row with column, right? And always you have to use positive sign here to multiply by 0. So it will be 4 plus 0, which will be equal to only 4. 4. Right? Okay. Move on to the second one. 2 columns, 2 rows. Yes, you can multiply. How you will multiply? This is the row with this column. 1 multiply by 5. Then you have to use positive sign to multiply by negative 4. Here 5 minus 8, which will be equal to negative 3. And this is the answer. Right? Move on to question number 3. Here we have 2 columns, 2 rows. Yes, we can multiply. How we will multiply? Row with the first element of the second matrix plus 0 multiply by 0 equal to minus 12, right? Equal to minus 12 plus 0, which is equal to negative 12. Come on the fourth one. 6 multiply by 4, right? This with this with this, and here you have to use always plus sign, but there is minus 0, so 0 means nothing, and then this is 24, right? So 24 plus 0, so this is the answer. One more question we will solve. Again, first of all, we have to see whether these are conformable for multiplication or not. 1 2 columns, 1 2 rows. Yes. So here you have to be very careful. This row with this column, then the same row with the second column as well. In the previous questions, we had only one column. That is why we were multiplying only one time. Here we have two columns. Same row. This row with this column, this row with this column. If suppose we have another, so this with this as well. So second with the first column, second row with the second column. So I will show you here. Start from 1. 1 multiply by 4, 2 multiply by 0. See, this 4 with this and this 2 with 0. Keep in mind, you have to multiply row by column, not 2 with 5, 2 with 0. So it is finished. Now we move to the second column, right? Okay, we will write down a little far. So it is 1 multiply by 5, then plus 2 multiply by negative 4. Same thing, right? This with this. Now move on to the second row. 3 multiplied by 4 plus 0 multiplied by 0. Negative 3 multiplied by 5 plus 0 multiplied by negative 4. Third one, 6 multiplied by 4 positive negative 1 multiplied by 0. 6 multiplied by 5 positive negative 1 multiplied by negative 4. So see, this is the first element, this is the first element, this is the first element. So first element you have to multiply with this 4, all are 4, 4, 4. This is the second element, right? Second, so this second you have to multiply with 0. Same thing here, the first element, all these first element you have to multiply with 5. Second element you have to multiply by 4, so this is fine. And then we will simplify it. 4 plus 0 negative 12 plus 0 24 plus 0. Here 5 negative 8 minus 15 plus 0 30 plus 4. Now we will simplify it. So it is 4 negative 12, right? And then is 24. Here we have negative 3, negative 15 and 34, right? So in this lesson you have learned how to multiply two matrices. If still you have any question, you can write down in comment section. Please subscribe Saima Academy and thanks for watching.